Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use custom search functionality in the TwitterDub software. On the search and process tabs, follow, like, retweet, you'll see the button custom search. Custom search allows you to build a search where the results of one step can feed into the other. Example. Clear. Right. Let's say we're going to run a tweet search. We then want to get the likers from the tweet, and then from each liker we want to get the followers. We would build a search like this. Assuming we want 50 results, as we can see here, if we had 50 tweets and got one liker and then one follower from each liker would meet our 50 target. Another way would be to get one tweet, get 50 likers, and get one follower from each of the likers. Another way would be to get one tweet, one liker, and 50 followers. Obviously, the program doesn't know which you would want. So if we don't do anything else, the program will try to meet the target with as few requests as possible, which may or may not be the results you want. So what we can do is we can tell the program the results we want from each step. So we double click, specify we want 10 tweets. We're happy to have up to 10 likers per tweet, and then we want a maximum of 10 followers from each. Now, for those of you good at maths, you can work out if we have 10 tweets and 10 likers from each and 10 followers of each liker, that's 10 tweets, 10 likers, which is 100, and 10 followers of each, that's 1,000. But we only want 50. Well, perhaps on the recent search we don't get 10 likers. There might not be any likers, or maybe it's a new account and there's no followers. By specifying more results than we need, we can ensure we will definitely meet our target max actions. Once the program has found 50, the action will stop. So it's not going to scrape 1,000 and then waste the results or do excessive requests in order to meet that target. We will hit the target, and as soon as we do, the action will stop. So setting the action up like this, hit follow. The action will be created. We'll be getting our tweets, then we'll get our likers, and then we'll be getting our followers. The action will run through like this. So here you say for this tweet there was no likers, so I'll go on to the next one, so on and so forth. Now, this does mean you do need to think about your searches you are running. For example, we're doing a recent search, which means we could get tweets that have been posted in the last few seconds. Obviously, tweets that have been posted in the last few seconds aren't going to have likers. They may have one or two, but you may not be able to find tweets posted recently with a lot of likers. So a better search would be a popular search. A tweet is popular because it has had many likes. So that would be a better search to perform if you wanted to get likers. Another thing to think of is the action you are running. Here we're running a follow action. It will tell you here a follow action requires an output type of user. If we run a search is a base step, meaning it can only ever be the first step, and it will output a tweet. Now we can't follow a tweet, so you'll have this warning saying you need to end your search on a user. So from the tweet we'll get the creator, then we can build our tweet. Equally on the like tab, a like action requires output type of tweet. So if we're doing a followers search, that won't work because you can't like a follower. So you need to get the follower, then we could have the latest tweet. And that's basically custom search. I mean, you can make a custom search as complicated or as simple as you like. So here we're going to get the followers of, we'll get the latest tweet from them, we'll get the likers of the latest tweet, then we'll get the followers of the likers, then we'll get the recent tweets of the followers of the likers, and so on and so forth. So really there is an unlimited, infinite amount of possibilities on the searches you can build with this function. Now, pre-existing custom build searches. So if you like the search you've set up here, you can export it. It'll be saved to this folder, and then next time you come into the app, you will then be able to preload a exported custom search that you have built. That's really all there is. Any questions regarding custom search, please come to the forum at rootjazz.com/forum. Post any questions you may have and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks for watching.